Prodrive's been around since 1984. Obviously, our start was in motorsport, which probably we're still best known for. As Prodrive Motorsport, I primarily work for Aston Martin Racing. We run Aston Martin's GT cars, and we build them, sell them to customers, and sometimes when customers are running them, they want our engineers to go help them run the car, improve the car performance. Historically, motorsport data came very much from drive analysis, very much on a lap basis, looking at this is a lap of the driver driving around the circuit, this is what the car does, and then moved on to bigger data sets, looking at the stint, looking at the whole race, the whole Le Mans 24 as an entity, how's the car performance change over the 24 hours. We're now trying to move beyond that. We're looking at longer range data analysis really, for the life of the engine, the life of the gearbox, the life of the fuel pumps. So we're looking at stitching together our historic data into longer and longer data sets. Now the motorsport tools, proprietary tools that you'd use for lap analysis really aren't built for that. We've taken our existing Python code that'll take our data, put it into a nice format. We can get it into Altair where we can really present it nicely, looking at very much long-term aggregated metrics of the data. Existing motorsports data platforms, visualization are very good at plotting the graph for one lap or for a race stint, but when you're looking at these real long-term trends that we're trying to pick out in car health, in car performance, etc., we need a platform that will let us scale out to that and then also flexible so that we can zoom in on smaller sections at the same time, which certainly for us, one of the big benefits of moving to Panopticon was plotting graphs in Python isn't very user-friendly. It's something that it has to be basically written in code, but there are plenty of people who aren't necessarily interested in code, etc., who have great technical knowledge because they have a great fondness for engines, for example, and they'll be a huge specialist, know everything about an engine, but don't have a coding background. So part of my job is to try and get the data in a form where it can be used sensibly by them. We've got tools now where engineers who maybe aren't proficient with code, aren't happy with code, can still generate the sorts of plots that they need. Zoom in, see the features they want, see the longer term trends that they want,